What are prefixes and suffixes and how do they change a word's meaning? That's what we're going to talk about today. Hi there, thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If this is the first video you're watching from my channel, I make educational and motivational content. So if you don't want to miss any of my new uploads, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that bell icon. Now, like I said in the intro kanina, pag-uusapan natin kung ano yung prefixes, suffixes, at paano sila gamitin. But before we do that, just a quick little plug. If medyo bitin kayo sa free content natin, sa free worksheets, videos like this, at lalo na kung magpe-prepare kayo para sa isang upcoming exam, you may want to consider joining our online review programs or buying yung ating mga reviewers that I made for this team. And if you're interested to get your own, you can go and message us sa ating Facebook page, www.facebook.com/Team Lyqa for more information. You can also find the link in the description box sa baba. Alright? And our team will assist you sa kung ano yung perfect fit for your needs. And now that we have that out of the way, I'm going to switch over to my tablet. I'll see you in a bit.
Alright, so ito yung lesson natin on prefixes and suffixes, or ang tawag natin sa ganito ay affixes. Okay? Now, meron ding tinatawag na infixes, pero hindi na natin yun i-cover kasi sa English language naman walang ganon. Pero if you think about it, even sa Filipino, marami tayong ganon. Okay? So that's another conversation for another time. Dito muna tayo sa definition ng affixes. Ano ba yung mga ito? They are grammatical elements added to a root word to make new words. Kadalasan, 2 letters, 1 letter, 4 letters na nilalagay natin doon sa either beginning or sa dulo ng isang salita that will change its meaning or add new information doon sa salita na yon. Now, the best way for us to look at them would be to take a root word. No? Tawag natin dito root word, ibig sabihin this is a word that can stand alone. Dito rin manggagaling yung basis ng ibig sabihin ng ating magiging end word. Now, if you have a root word like forget and naging forgettable siya, ang ibig sabihin nun ay dinagdagan ko siya ng suffix which is yung able. Okay? Now, ano ang ibig sabihin ng suffix then? It's all about the position. Okay? Ang suffix is something you add after the root word. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nun, yung root word natin ay forget, yung able, nilagay natin sa dulo. Now, may cases again na dinodoble natin yung last na consonant. So, in this case, forgettable, double T siya. Hindi lang siya isang T, which would be read then as forgettable, no? Ito, forgettable. Alright, now, para mas makita naman natin kung ano yung isa pang klase ng affix na laging ginagamit, you look at a word like this, unforgettable. So kanina, forgettable. Pag ibig sabihin nun, pwede mong or madali mong makalimutan. Yung unforgettable, which adds yung UN as its prefix. Now, ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng prefix? Ang prefix ay an affix placed before the root word. So again, it's all about position. Pre means before. Kaya prefix, ibig sabihin before the root word. Suffix is after the root word. Okay? Now, dahil naglagay tayo ng un na prefix dyan, ang ibig sabihin na ng unforgettable, okay? Much like the song, di ba? Unforgettable, that's what you are. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo na ngayon siya madaling malimutan. Hindi mo na siya makalimutan. Unforgettable. Okay? So, that is what affixes do. Now, para rin malinaw, ang prefix at suffix ay klase ng affix. Ibig sabihin nun, ang prefixes, affixes sila. Ang suffixes, affixes sila. Pero magkaiba ang prefix at suffix. Okay? Now, tingnan natin yung common prefixes na ito. Now, mahaba ang listahan ng prefixes. If you have a workbook, no, yung ating workbook number 1, you will find a list or a table dyan ng mga common na mga prefixes. Pero dito sa ating video, 5 lang muna yung cover natin in the interest of time. Okay? Now, isa sa mga common na prefixes ay yung co or com or con, which means with or together. For example, the word cooperate, di ba? Pag sinabi nating operate, ibig sabihin things are working, right? So pag cooperate, ibig sabihin to work together. Okay? So yun yung purpose ng prefix. Now, another thing kapag nag-exam tayo ng vocabulary, knowing your prefixes can give you an insight or a clue sa kung anong salita ang pipiliin ninyo out of the list ng options. Okay? Kaya pag nakita kayo ng co, com, or con, kadalasan ang ibig sabihin yan is something will work together or something is together. Now, next we have this. Kapag this, ibig sabihin niya not, opposite, or away. For example, pag sinabi natin na someone disagrees with you, dahil ang agree means umuoo siya or pumapayag siya or umaayon siya sa'yo. Pero pag nilagyan mo na siya ng this, ang ibig sabihin na niya ay not agree or hindi siya nag-agree, hindi siya umaayon. It turns the word negative. Okay? So if you notice, marami rin mga words that start with this, katulad ng distaste. Diba? Kung meron kang distaste sa isang bagay, ibig sabihin, hindi mo siya gusto. No? Kasi there's the prefix this. Discontinue. Pag discontinue, ibig sabihin, not continue or hininto siya. Okay? Now, yun yung common na ibig sabihin ng this. Another common prefix is pre. No? Nandun sa mismo salita na prefix yan. Pre means before. So, kapag nasa prehistory, ibig sabihin kasi ng history is written, di ba? Yung written na records of what happened. No? Ito yung common na definition lang yung sinasabi ko. So, pag sinabi natin prehistory, ibig sabihin before itong mga annals of history or before yung writing or written records siya. So, prehistoric animal. Di ba? Ang mammoth is a prehistoric animal. Ibig sabihin, nung sinaunang panahon, pre. Ang re naman means again or back. So, if you are asked to reread something, ibig sabihin, binasa mo na siya one time, tas you are going to read it again. So, reread. Okay? Now, ito na bang on, in, and non? Ibig sabihin nila kadalasan ay not. Ibig sabihin, if you're going to undo something, ginawa mo siya, i-undo mo siya or babawiin mo yung pagkakagawa sa kanya. Okay? For example, no, imagine natin when you're knitting, no, kapag nagni-knit tayo or nagko-cross stitch tayo or nagtatahi tayo. 'Di ba? If you need to undo it, ibig sabihin nun, tatastasin mo siya. Okay? If you hammer two pieces of wood together and you need to undo it, ibig sabihin, paghihiwalayin mo siya uli. Yun yung undo. When you do something and you want to take it back or you don't want to do it. Okay. Now, another set naman tayo ng mga affixes. This time, mga suffixes naman. Again, pag suffix, ibig sabihin nasa dulo siya ng salita. Now, ito yung isa sa pinaka mga common. You have able or minsan able siya as in I. It's having the ability or something that you can do. No? So, ibig sabihin nun, if someone is agreeable, ibig sabihin they're able to agree or madaling makasama or madaling makasundo. No? Ang ER naman, kadalasan ibig sabihin niya siya ay comparative, ibig sabihin more or better. Kaya meron tayong salitang prettier. If you are pretty and this person is prettier, ibig sabihin mas maganda siya. Now, meron tayong lesson on superlatives and comparatives. I-link ko na lang din dito sa taas sa i-button if you're watching this on YouTube para makahabol kayo, okay? Now, another na nangyayari kapag nagdagdag tayo ng suffix na ER is it turns it into the person who does something. Kadalasan kapag verb, tas nilagyan natin ng ER, ibig sabihin nagiging person siya. For example, teacher. A person who teaches, teach plus ER, teacher, yun yung ibig sabihin niya. So, someone who paints, right? Painter. Nagiging tao siya. Another is full. If something is blank full, ibig sabihin it's full of whatever that may be. Stressful, joyful, right? Hopeful. Ibig sabihin full of hope. Less means without. Okay? So, hindi lang siya basta nabawasan, kadalasan ang ibig sabihin natin ito wala. So, if you're sleepless, ibig sabihin wala kang tulog. Hopeless, wala kang hope. Okay. Next, we have li or Y na lang. Ibig sabihin nun, it's a characteristic of. For example, if someone bravely crosses a river, ibig sabihin, brave ang root word and ginawa niya ito bravely. I-note ko rin dito na it turns the word into an adverb kadalasan or an adjective. No? So for example, we have the word bravely. Now, yung word na bravely, it describes another verb. So they bravely crossed the river. Yung crossed, yun yung ginawa nila, tumawid sila sa river. Paano nila ito ginawa? You use an adverb, bravely. Okay? Now let's have an activity. Dito, meron tayong sentence and using context clues, huhulaan natin kung ano yung salita na binubuo natin using the prefixes and suffixes that we have right now. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung ating video on context clues, ililink ko rin sa taas sa I button para mapanood ninyo kasi importante yon to discover yung tamang sagot dito. Now, tingnan natin yung sentence. Sabi, wearing tight clothes makes me blank. Now, ang root word natin ay comfort. Now, tanong, kapag nagsusuot ka na masikip na damit, anong nararamdaman mo? Pag masyadong masikip. Hindi ka komportable, tama? So, ibig sabihin nun, ang clue natin, we're looking for something negative. Okay? So, ang ibig sabihin nun, dalawa dito sa lines na ito yung option natin. We have this, which means not also, un, in, or non, which also means not. Now, there is a word na discomfort. Pero, discomfort ba yung tamang sagot? Balikan natin yung sentence. Wearing tight clothes makes me this. So, it has to be a feeling. No? It has to be something that you feel. So, discomfort, it's just a noun, no? Pero ito, it makes me feel what? Uncomfortable. Ayan. So, uncomfortable, yan, ganyan ang spelling natin. You have the prefix un or not, comfortable. So, you don't feel or you don't have the characteristic of being comfortable. Okay? Uncomfortable. Next, we have this. No? He got it wrong. He answered blank. Ang root word natin ay correct. Now, tingnan natin yung clues natin. Sabi, he got it wrong. That is our first clue. So, ibig sabihin, mali yung kanyang sagot. Ibig sabihin, again, ang pipiliin natin would be something that implies negative. No? Now, pipiliin natin yung in kasi yun yung common na word, incorrect. Pero ang tanong, incorrect lang ba yung sagot? Now, tingnan natin. Ang word na ito is about yung kanyang pagsagot. So, it describes yung klase ng kanyang pagsagot. Okay? Hindi naman sinabi na his answer was incorrect. Ang sabi, he answered incorrect. So, ano yung manner ng kanyang pagsagot? Incorrectly. So, the answer is incorrectly. Okay? So, again, pwede tayong gumamit ng prefix lang kung yun lang ang hinihingi. Pwedeng prefix and then suffix. Okay? So, think about it as Lego pieces when it comes to words. Kapag meron kang root word, tapos meron kang prefix, meron kang mga suffix, the more Lego pieces you have, the more words you can form. Okay? And the more words then na you can derive yung meaning kahit hindi ka familiar sa word na yun. Kahit first time mo lang siya nakita o nabasa, kung marami kang baon na prefix at suffix, medyo ma-figure out mo kung ano yung ibig sabihin nila. Okay? Now, it's your turn. So we're going to have a quick quiz on affixes, prefixes, and suffixes. All you have to do is to pick kung ano yung prefix or suffix or maybe both na idadagdag ninyo dun sa mga salita na nandoon sa ating paragraph. Meron ding clue in parentheses kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng missing word. So if you're ready with your pen and paper, your timer starts now. All right, let's see how you did. Let's start with the first one. Sabi, there are things we can't take back. Okay, so ibig sabihin take back, hindi na natin kayang bawiin. Now, ano ang best option dyan sa lahat ng mga prefix natin? We have the blue underline. So that would be undo. There are things we can't undo. May mga bagay tayong hindi pwedeng bawiin or tanggalin yung pagkakagawa. But we have a chance to, sabi niya, try again. So to try again is to do something again. We will choose re. We have a chance to redo what we can. Next, there are people who love you no matter what. Pag sinabing no matter what, kahit ano pa, walang condition or hindi conditional. So, ibig sabihin nun, ang prefix natin should mean no or not. So, this will be unconditional. And since it describes yung kanilang pag-love sa'yo, no? It's also an adverb. We will add the suffix na ly. So, there are people who love you unconditionally. You are not without value. Pag sabing without value, walang worth. So, kung ang ating root word ay worth at dadagdagan natin siya ng suffix, that would be worthless. You are not worthless. Okay? So yan, those are just some of the examples no ng mga prefixes and suffixes. Let me know in the comment section if you want us to talk about more prefixes and suffixes and magkaroon tayo ng mga quizzes like this. And I will make those for you if you want more. All right? And again, if you scored great dito sa quiz na to, very good. If you didn't, that's okay. I'll be posting more questions on my Instagram account then. So if you don't follow me yet, you can follow me at Lyqa Maravilla on Instagram for the new quick quiz questions sa ating Instagram story. So don't forget to keep checking that. And if you have questions naman din or gusto nyo malaman yung mga susunod nating events, you can go and follow at Team Lyqa on Instagram. Doon din natin pinapost yung mga throwback quick quiz questions natin. Kung meron kayong TikTok, I'm also on TikTok. You can follow at Team Lyqa for the educational content, math and English videos, quick quizzes din na iba pa dun sa pinapost ko sa Instagram at marami pang iba. And of course, at Lyqa Maravilla naman for the personal things, yung mga motivational videos, tips, advice, study hacks at marami pang iba. I'll see you online.
Alright, hope you learned something today. If you did, click thumbs up. Make sure that you share this video with your friends na mag-exam din sila. Dati yung marami tayong matutulungan. And again, if you want to reach out to me directly, get the reviewers, join the online review program, message us at www.facebook.com/Team Lyqa. Again, yun yung additional content lang ha. And those actually help us pay the bills and covering expenses so I can keep making the free content. So again, if walang budget, don't worry. You can always start with all the free video lessons. We have more than 1,000 na free videos all over the place sa iba-ibang mga platforms. So kung gusto niyo matuto for free, start with all those free videos. Pero kung gusto niyo ng additional help, you can always buy the reviewers or join the program. Okay? So yan muna for now. As you always say sa channel na to, never stop learning. Aja, kaya niyo yan. I'll see you in the next video and bye for now. Alright, thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you want another video lesson, click right here. And if you want to get to know me a little bit better, yung aking second channel, my vlogging channel is right here. Click on my face, subscribe to that channel, and check out those videos, and I'll see you there.